And what you can see, we had a strong feeling, when I say we, me and my project co-lead from facilities, we built the map in a way that we knew people were going to be searching significant amount of times. They got to find something. They're not just going to click around trying to find a map. So we organized the buildings in a way that we would have the building name, and then we had the building acronym, and we leveraged some of the internal search setup to make sure those are returned. And you can see after our first 3 months of usage, the top 10 searches are all acronym related to our building. We actually took that data and backed it out and talked to our team in IT that manages our people software that sends out all of the student registration information for your classes. And we also discovered they don't put the buildings on the actual class listings. They just put the building acronyms. So this confirmed that we were in the right direction with how we were organizing and setting up our map. So we take a look at the search volume. We want to know what are those key areas they're looking for, what are they not looking for, etc.